Yo, what's up, money movers? Ever found yourself staring at your phone, trying to figure out the quickest way to send cash to a friend? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of digital payments to answer one burning question: does Monzo work with Zelle? Now, I know what you're thinking. Why does this matter? Well, picture this: you're hanging out with friends, the bill comes, and everyone's scrambling to split the cost. You whip out your phone, ready to use Zelle, but then you remember, you're rocking that sleek Monzo card. Does that mean you're out of luck? Nope, not necessarily. Let's break it down. First off, what even is Zelle? It's like the speed demon of money transfers. It's fast, it's easy, and it's pretty much everywhere. But here's the thing: Zelle isn't a standalone app. It's a network that banks and credit unions use to send money between accounts. So, while it might seem like magic, it's actually your bank or credit union that's doing the heavy lifting. Now, back to Monzo. Monzo is a digital bank that's been making waves in the financial world. It's known for its user-friendly app, cool features, and its commitment to making money management less of a chore. But does it play nice with Zelle? Well, the short answer is the kind of. Monzo doesn't have a direct integration with Zelle. You won't find a Zelle button in the Monzo app. But don't hit the panic button just yet. There's a workaround. Here's the deal: you can still use Zelle with your Monzo account, but you'll need to go through the Zelle app itself. It's a couple of extra steps, but it's totally doable. You just need to download the Zelle app, link your Monzo account to it, and voila! You're ready to send and receive money like a Zelle pro. But wait, there's more. While you can't initiate Zelle payments directly from Monzo, you can receive money from people who use Zelle. So, if a friend sends you cash via Zelle, it will land in your Monzo account. Pretty sweet, right? Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Why doesn't Monzo have a direct Zelle integration? Well, that's a question for Monzo, but it's possible that they're focusing on other features or partnerships. Who knows, maybe a full-blown Zelle integration is in the works. We can only hope. But hey, even without a direct integration, you can still use Zelle with Monzo. It's not the most streamlined process, but it gets the job done. And let's be real, sometimes a little extra effort is worth it. So, there you have it. Does Monzo work with Zelle? Yes, but not in the way you might expect. It's a bit of a workaround, but it's still possible to send and receive money using both services. Now, before you go, let's recap. We've learned that Zelle is a network, not an app. We've discovered that Monzo doesn't have a direct Zelle integration, but you can still use it through the Zelle app. And we've talked about the possibility of a future Monzo and Zelle love affair. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy money moving.